David Samadi, Chair of Urology at Lenox Hill Hospital. I want to talk to you about some of the latest news that is coming in from London, actually. What they have done is this whole vitamin business has become a huge market. And unfortunately, my colleague, Dr. Oz, fell into trap with this. And, certainly I think he's a very good doctor. He was a good surgeon. And he tries hard to bring awareness and certainly weight loss and obesity. And if you have any comments about some of these vitamins and advertisements on TV, call in 877-970-2999. I'm happy to hear what your opinion is. But the problem with these vitamins are that they're not being regulated. Nobody's watching over them. They don't have to go through the same criteria as medicines and the same clinical trials. So anybody out there can basically find some company in China and put their name on it and start selling it. It's one of the reasons why we haven't had Dr. Samadi's formula for anti-aging. You don't have Dr. Samadi vitamin for better sex. And, there are a lot of urologists out there that are starting to do this kind of things. And I'm not really for it. Unless it's a legitimate and it has all the good things that we know for sure, then that's a different story. Just look at the statistics and what's going on out there. In 2012, the number of sales for these vitamins were $32 billion with B. And the projection is in 2021, we're going to go to $60 billion industry in vitamins. Not only they're not regulated, but they can actually hurt you. And I think when you take a lot of these vitamins, they can change your immune system, they can change your hormones, and they can really take you off cycle and cause more harm. And you have to be really careful. We talked about vitamin E and how it can increase the risk of prostate cancer in the past. So more is not merrier. And look at the article that I wrote online on New York Daily News, which I think is really helpful. Now, this study from London, basically, they looked at this study in 2004, 634 supplements from 13 different countries and 215 different suppliers. And what they found was that in 15% of these vitamins, you have androgen, steroids, you have stimulants, you have contaminations. In 2015, this year, they tested 24 products for fitness shops in UK, and they basically found similar things, that out of all of those, a lot of them had anabolic agents, they had steroids, they had contaminations, they had rice in them, they had, so many things that it really can affect you, and this contamination can actually hurt you. So I would advise a lot of people to be very careful about taking these vitamins, especially when they're produced in foreign countries. We don't know what's in them, the allergic reaction that you can get from them, etc. A word of caution. So I would be very careful with that.